So R programming is used to do a lot of data analytics, data science, data engineering, data manipulations. Fraction of a second, we'll get the output. Relates to other languages. We are able to link with other languages. Okay, we are able. So R Studio is there, and over here in this R Studio, you are able to see the four environment. One is like the writing the code. So this is the window which is available in R Studio to search for the package. But I want a ggplot, sir. I want a graphical interface, a plot which can show you some good animation, sir. In that case, I can install that particular package, because by default R Studio will have the basic R programming. Okay, this particular coefficient of variation will be used in the real-time world to identify which is the safest one, normal linear regression, and if it is on multiple fields, that is called multilinear regression. Hi, welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to talk about a fantastic topic, that's R programming. Before that, I got lots of technical contents in my YouTube channel. If you're really interested in any of the videos, you can go to my channel and you can see and you can learn as much as you can. And apart from this, this is my channel Wikitechie. This is the usual dialogue everyone used to delete. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell symbol to get regular notification from us. Every week 3 videos will be placed in this particular channel, and please share to your friends also. And if you're looking for any technical information on R programming tutorial, here is our another website, wikitechie.com/tutorial. You can learn lots and lots. This is on R programming. So R programming is used to do a lot of data analytics, data science, data engineering, data manipulations, data filtering, and we can do lots of data processing. And in statistical field, it plays a very important role. So we have to learn this superb language, R programming. Yeah, if you talk about R programming, we should understand the history of the technology. So the technology starts the mathematics is there, sir, to do some processing easiest way. Your software I needed to do some easiest way, that is your yes language which comes, and they started thinking about we need an intelligent software to do some processing. That way it came in 1970. You may call it R language in 1970. No, the language is different, but it is like a budding stage. From the child it is moving on, and on the mature stage it's called it as R programming. Okay, the company is Bell Laboratory. They created this R programming, and as I told you, it came from the language called yes language. So further, if you talk about the history of this technology, we should understand how it comes and how it evolved. Okay, obviously the one thing which you have to understand is yes language, it got lots and lots of versions. So lots and lots of versions. The version 1, the yes language version 1 comes, and from there we got a yes language version 2. Okay, lot of enhancements, a lot of statistical methods they added here in this particular language, and they coined it as a yes language, which is marketed. And afterwards, at some stage, they introduced or they renamed it as R language. So we got yes language version 1, from to version 2, from there to version 3, we got version 4. From there you got the fantastic language, and it is coined as R language in 1993. Okay, so R language plays a very important role in statistical analysis, in mathematical processing. Yes, why R language? Why we need to go ahead with the R language? We got lots and lots of reason for that. Okay, so R language mainly used for doing a lot of statistical and mathematical operations in a simplified way. So it is an open source language. It is freely available. Just download the software and use it. So obviously it is free then now. So it will be easiest way to reach the market, and it is cross-platform compatible. cross-platform compatible in the sense not only with the specific operating system, it can execute in multiple operating system. In a command prompt you want to execute, or you want a GUI interfaces, yes, you can do it. That is the advantage of our language. Advanced statistical language, not only the basic things, we are able to do lots of statistical analysis in an advanced manner. Within fraction of a second, you'll get the output. Relates to other languages, we are able to link with other languages. Okay, we are able to use the libraries of other languages as packages. And you got the outstanding graphical feature. We can integrate with the multiple graphical plotting and graph libraries, and we can do a lot of graphical concepts. Vast communities supporting is awesome. You got a vast community to support, and the extensions, lots of extensions in the form of packages are there, and it had huge statistical analysis packages, obviously. So that's why this language is real famous. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about the more information about our language, our programming language. So over here, we talk about the more information. The first thing is who found it, and other things is information we need. The founder was Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman. So these two people are found this particular language. That is why those two people's name starts with R. The language is our language. So the language is named after the first letter of the founders. Okay, and the date of release, the exact date of release, a stable version to the market is the first version released in March 1995, and it becomes real famous. Obviously, if you talk about statistical languages, Google, they coined and they ranked it as the #1 statistical language, and it dominated the industry as you know it. Okay, apart from that, almost 2 million people worldwide, they are using this particular language to do some statistical processing. Yes. So if you talk about R programming, as I told you, it is portable. Easily you can take the code and everything in the form of .r files to other computers, portable, platform independent, got a high quality graphics, open source and responsive online communities. That is why our language becomes real famous, and it is one of the #1 rated statistical language. We talk about GUI. Sir, I want to do some R programming. So you need an interface. You need some place where I can write the code. That is called as graphical user interface. So for our language, we got multiple graphical user interface, which is already there, and a lot of development is going on. The one is R Commander. This is a software used to write your R language, RK-Word. So this is another software which is used to write your R language, and the final is a Rattle. So Rattle is one of the predominant software GUI interface used in a lot of companies to write the R languages. Yes. So what is a default GUI interface, sir? The default GUI interface is your normal a command line or R console environment. So using this R console, so just install your R programming language and you are able to see your R GUI interface, R console application. So using this console application, you can write your code and you can execute it, you can get the output and all. So this is one thing. And the default GUI apart from that is predominantly the users are using, that is your R Studio. Okay, R Studio is another software. So over here R Studio is the and over here in this R Studio you are able to see the 4 environment. One is the writing the code. In the left bottom you got the command line interface, kind of where you are able to see the command getting executed and you can see the output and everything. And in the right side you are able to see the variables. Right top you got the variables and everything, and right bottom you got the plotting and charting informations which is getting stored in the right bottom. So this is how your interface is. Okay, so now we'll talk about where we got the actual R programming implementation. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one to see what is the R programming implementation. Yeah, so more details on R programming languages. Okay, so these are some of the very important properties of R programming languages. Okay, so if you talk about R programming language, the one is naming convention. So this is a key point we should understand. The variables should start with a letter A to Z, A, B, C, D, capital A or small a, B, C, D. It can contain the letters, digits 0 to 9 and dot periods. So you should not use any other special symbols. The programming language is case sensitive. My data small letter different from the capital my data. So it is case sensitive. The variable will be different. The basic assignment. So this is the arrow symbol. This is the arrow symbol. This arrow symbol is used to assign x equal to 7. 7 is assigned to x, 7 is given to x. This is called the basic assignment. And for concatenation, appending, so I got, sir, what is the ages you got? So I got what is the name of the student. So Venkat is there, Arun is there, some like Krushiv is there. So you got the sequence of names. You can concatenate using this one, C. Okay, so the k variable will have 0.5 and 1. And installing the package, I want a special functionality to be installed, sir. In that case, in the right bottom, you are able to see the packages there. You can install the necessary package. Whichever package you want, you can install it. You can select the package and you can install it. Whatever package you want, you can install it. So that is one of the additional features you should understand. And if you want to search for a specific package, yes, in the right bottom itself, you can search for the packages. So here is the option to search for the packages in the right bottom. So I'm trying to show the window in RStudio. So this is the window which is available in RStudio to search for the package. I want a ggplot, sir. I want a graphical interface, a plot which can show you some good animation, sir. In that case, I can install that particular package because by default, RStudio will have the basic R programming combination softwares. Combination packages. If I want an additional one, yeah, you can install it, man. I don't have everything at the shot to load it. It will create a performance impact, memory impact, and everything. So whatever you want, install it. It's an add-on kind of. Okay, so I can show you in detail. I can show you a bigger picture of how these packages are. The package installation in R. So like I see, I got my default R programming language. Try to understand. Sir, I want to install an additional package. In that case, we will be using this package installation, which can be done with the command prompt window, or you can have this kind of window. You can see this is your RStudio. Search for a particular package. I'm searching for a package, and afterwards I can install it. So package name, this is the package name I'm trying to install. So install, automatically your package will get installed. So Carrot is one of the package. I'm CARET, Carrot. I'm trying to install it. Yes, you can see the output there. The Carrot package is installed in your computer. Okay, you can see it. The Carrot is installed. Okay, yes, good. That's good, man. So you are able to see it is used for classification and regression training. Okay, so this is how you can install the packages. Sir, I want to see whether the package is like installed or not, sir. You can search for the package. You can see the package whether it is available or not. Just clicking it, you can see it here. Yes, it is installed. It is installed in your computer. So installing the package I have teached you, searching the package we have teached you. Now we are going to see where this particular our language is going to be implemented. Are you ready for that? Yes, let's move on. Okay, let's move on to a free data science project. So I'm going to talk about a free data science project now in R programming. Let's see like how it works, and we'll move on to the next one. Yeah. So like I'm going to talk about how this R programming will have a greatest impact in the statistical world. Okay, I got this statistical information from there, like I got the data. So I'm going to do some processing with the mathematical formulation. So I'm going to talk about those things in this particular area. Okay, like before that, I want to share you like the interview questions related to R programming. If you want any interview questions, like I'm going to load, this is the very minimal questions I've loaded already, and the link is in the description. And if you want to attend R programming related interview or data science interviews, for sure, like just go to this link. I'm going to load minimum of 100 questions in this particular link. So just go to Google, search for R programming training in Chennai. Maybe like you will be getting my website link. Yes, this is a link. Just click it. You are able to enter to my website. This is one thing. Sir, can I use the same URL? Can I type it? Yes, you can do it. So most of the people used to make a mistake. That's why I gave from Google to move towards our website, or else just type this link. It's more than enough. So without mistake, just do it, and you can see lots and lots of R programming interview questions, which I'll put it in the description. I'll put the link in the description, don't worry, or else this is an option. Yes, before going ahead, I want to share you we launched and we are working on this particular 4 course package. Okay, so recently we launched this one with a Python, almost 120 concepts, machine learning with 80 concepts, and we got data science. So R programming 120 concepts, and apart from that we got our data science also with the 80 concepts. So we'll cover the entire machine learning and data science with the R programming and Python. So all installations, and you'll be having projects also. So in each and everything, for Python we got projects, machine learning, R programming and data science, for everywhere you got projects. Okay, so it is free of cost. We are giving to you with 100% practical, with the industry recognized certificate, and you'll be getting interview preparation tips also. So if you're really interested, just contact our team. My team will help you on this. And apart from this, you should know about our company. Our company, we are conducting courses, internships, and in-plant training. So we got our ethical hacking, Python, machine learning, data science, Java, and we got Android. So every courses are 3D animated with 100% practical stuff we are teaching. Web designing, cloud computing with the AWS and SQL Azure platform, DevOps, and we got big data, IoT, all department. For mechanical we got aero designs and everything. For electrical, electronics, for all the department we are guiding. So if you're really interested, please contact us. We are ready to help you. So the training languages will be in English and Tamil versions, and the type of training is completely 3D live classes with 100% practical things. We are giving the training, and here is the program days, 10 days and 20 days of program, and here is the registration link. If you're really interested, please contact us. We are ready to help you. Okay, and we got a 4 bundle package also, with the special package with the Python, machine learning and data science, and you got your ethical hacking also. So this is the contact numbers. If you're really interested, you can contact me. So what our company is doing, Kashiv Infotech, what we are doing. So we are guiding the students, career guidance. Sir, I need job guidance, I need a career breaks, what I can do. So in that case, we are guiding the people towards how to project your career. And apart from that, we are providing internships, in-plant training. We are guiding for the mini projects and final year projects, and we are doing software development and website creation also. So most of the people, they used to ask me a question, sir, I don't have a job, sir, there is a career break, so I'm a fresher, what can I do? I want to shift my career. The one answer is very simple. Go for internship and get a real-time experience on the technology. Job is yours. So you can contact me, treat me as a brother. I'm ready to help you. Let's move on to the technology now. What is linear regression? So before talking about the project, I want to share you how to approach it. What is linear regression? Linear regression is nothing but the possibilities of values. From there, I'll try to align what is the exact value it can be. So arriving from the multiple values, the disperse of multiple values, you can see lots and lots of values are there. From there, I'm trying to identify what is the exact, what could be the value. So this is called as a linear regression. So the possibility of values from the group of values we are trying to identify. It is purely a mathematics base, and here is the coefficient of variation. What is coefficient of variation? So you can see there are the data is distributed. So I'm trying to find the linear regression technique to find the exact value. Okay, and how much, we are trying to find the standard deviation, and we'll find the mean. Standard deviation from a point, how much it is getting deviated. That is a standard deviation. From there, I'm trying to find the mean to find it. So coefficient of variation is if it is lowest, automatically that is the best one. Okay, so over here I got 3 stock markets. So for the one is stock A. So I'm entering into the share market. So 11%, a 15%, and you got the 0.73 as the coefficient of variation. You got the 11% of standard deviation, 15% of mean, and 0.73. 16% of standard deviation, 19% of mean, 0.84, and bond C is almost 6%, and you got your 10%, and over here it's 0.60. So among 3, 0.60 is the least one. So it shows that this is the best. C is the best share you can buy. Okay, this particular coefficient of variation will be used in the real-time world to identify which is the safest one. So this share price won't go down. The coefficient of variation is very, very lesser. It shows that you can lower the ratio, better the risk return trade off. Standard deviation, so obviously standard deviation better by expected return. So once again, I'm trying to show you these are the three stocks available. Among that, the coefficient, the third number is your coefficient of variation. The coefficient of variation is very, very lesser. It indicates that that is the safest one. That is the safest one you can buy. So linear regression, in the sense like I got lots of values, which is the safest and exact or possible value. So I'm trying to identify. That is where your linear regression plays a very important role. So I'll tell you another example where this is clearly used, the linear regression. The coefficient of variation is 1 point. We'll be using it. Where linear or multilinear regression used, I got a wage is equal to some standard value of beta 0 plus beta 1 into education. The basic salary, wage equal to the basic salary plus the basic salary into education. So basic salary is 2 plus 1 into education. So I've done a 10th standard, very less salary. 1 into 10th standard is very less. 1 into 12th standard, higher salary. 1 into engineering, higher salary. 1 into masters, very higher salary. So 1 into experience, you got higher salary. So obviously the wage depends on the education. Okay, and then education, a number of years, obviously 10th standard, 12th standard, depends, 8th standard student, 10th standard student. So the wage per hour is defined, it's in dollars, it is defined based on the education. Okay, so it is this is how we are able to map it. Okay, so this is how you are, so based on this one, I'll try to identify that one. Okay, that is why this is called as intercepting. This is called intercepting in the sense, at what stage I'll reach this value. Sir, I want 100 rupees, sir. And then your education should be 12th standard, man. Oh, to reach this 100 rupees, I want a 12th standard degree, a 12th standard. So for this salary, it is 8th standard is enough, man. So that is called intercepting. So if you want to achieve that one, what is this one I want? Okay, that is called intercept. So I want to achieve y, what is the x value should be? Okay, that is called as intercept. Okay, so aligning with one field is called as a linear or single linear regression, and with a multiple field, then it is called as a multilinear regression. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, over here I'm trying to align. So provide the education value and you are able to identify the wage. Okay, now I'm trying to identify the wages is equal to the basic salary or something like that, 2 plus 1 into education, that's good, plus 1.5 into experience. So maybe if this guy got already you worked somewhere, right? Okay, plus 2 IQ. I'm giving weightage. Okay, so yeah, what is this? I want a salary based on your IQ, based on your brilliance. I'll try to give, man. And based on experience I can give, man, and based on education. So these three factors will define that guy's age. Okay, that guy's age. Okay, now this is called as a multilinear regression. We'll see the project so that you'll understand the single, in this one, in this particular I'm trying to show you the single linear, and you'll be having multilinear also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, all these things I'm doing it as a project. Okay, I'll take the car manufacturing sector. I'll try to show you how it works. Okay, so this is called as a multilinear regression. So the output is defined on only one field, that is called a single linear or normal linear regression. And if it is on multiple fields, that is called a multilinear regression. Okay, now you can see it here. You got your x and y intercept. This is called as y intercept. The x will move here to reach y here. The y will reach here to move x here. Okay, the x will take this much value to make the y value 0. So over here I got the x values here 6, 2, 10, 4, 8 and y value here 9, 11, 5, 8, 7. So summation I'm trying to take it. Now I'm trying to do some linear regression. Intercept, the value of intercept I'm trying to find, don't worry. Okay, so x is equal to the summation of x I take, that is your x is equal to 30, y is equal to summation of y, that is 40. That's good. X into y, 6 into 9, 54, 2 into 11, 22, 10 into 5, 50, 4 into 8, 32, 8 into 7. You got this one. So x, y value is 214 and x square 36, 4, 100, 16, 64 and summation of x square I took. And y square is equal to 81, 121, 25, 64, 49. That's y square is equal to the summation of this one is 340. Okay, now this is the, I'm trying to find the coefficient of regression of y on x. So on x, so of y on, I'm trying to find the x intercept of y on x. So now I'm trying to find the x intercept. While trying to find the x intercept, automatically byx is equal to summation of xy minus x summation of y, summation of x square minus summation of x of whole square. Okay, this is the formula to find the intercept. Sorry, I'm trying to give more information with a different picture now. Over here, like you can see the x values here, the y values here, and the xy value which I told you is 214. Over here, the regression line y on x and the regression line x on y. Okay, so y on x or x on y, that is the one we are trying to identify. Okay, over here, like I made a mistake here. So x square is 220 over here, y square is 340, and this is a formulation. The y on x, okay, where it is getting intercepting over here. So y on x is equal to n into xy minus x into y, and you got n into x square minus x of whole square. You got a 5 into 214 minus 30 into 40 divided by, you got this value, and over here, like substituting all the values, we will be getting the value, the coefficient of variation. How much the coefficient of regression of a b y on x is minus 0.65. That is good, man. That's good. Okay, so like this is one I got. Sir, y on x you have done, sir. X on y you want to do it, right? So obviously we'll move on to the next thing. Like we'll see like how it works. Like my x moving towards y. You can see now the x is moving towards y. That's awesome, man. Okay, you got the same x value 30, y value 40. So this is the one. The animation is here, right? That's the one I'm trying to do it. So the summation of x into y, I'm trying to add it. The same thing which I'm trying to do it. Okay, so you have to put a box, create a table, and you have to do all this process. I got my x square value. Okay, x square value. Yes, now I'm trying to identify the y square value. So here is the y square value. Yeah, over here the numerator n into xy minus x into y is same, but in the denominator I'm trying to change it. You got n into y square, so it is x square over there minus summation of y of whole square. Okay, the denominator is changing, so substituting the values xy 5 into, so the number of values n is 5 into 214 minus 30 into 40 divided by 5 into y square 340 minus summation of y square. You got the answer as a coefficient of regression of x towards y on y is minus 1.3. Gosh. Okay, it is a very big thing, like a lot of formulation, man. So we have to do a lot of process. Okay, anyway, let's see, we got the answers. So this is the previous one. The y on x is a 0.65. The same thing I'm trying to do it with your R programming language. Let's see. So I'm creating a new file. This is my R Studio. So over here, I got my values. X is equal to 6, 2. So the same thing. 6, 2, 10, 4, 8. That's good. I'm trying to give the y value, that is 9, 11, 5, 8, 7. That's it. So I didn't x, y, x square. I've done a lot of manual process, man. So I got the x values, y values. Paka. So arrow indicates assignment operator. Do not forget. So I'm trying to have applying the lm function. Applying the lm function, lm of y on x. Okay, y on x. Okay, so I'm trying to give lm of y and x, then I create a relation. That's good. Now I put a relation. It is minus 0.65. Oh my god, y on x is minus 6. That's it, man. Only one line, you got the answer. This is where your R programming plays a very important role. R programming is real simple. It makes your mathematics faster. Okay, now you got an idea how this linear regression works. Now let's move on to the actual coding part. So linear regression implementation. Yes, so I'm trying to create a data set now. Yeah, I got a height data set and a body mass data set. Two data sets I got. The height value is 176, 154. So for 176, 82 is the weight. For 154, 49 is the weight. You can see it here. 154, 49 is the weight. 138, 53 is the weight. 196, 112 is the weight. I'm trying to plot with the body mass versus height. So body mass is the x value and y is the y value is height. So I'm trying to plot it. So you can see the data here. That's awesome, man. I want to do some customization. Body mass, height. I got the body mass and height. PCH, I want the symbol and all, it's different, and size of the symbol, the color I want, the color I can specify, and what is the text I want in the top, I can specify. X values, body mass in kilogram, height in centimeter. I'm customizing the plot. Now I got an AB line to draw a line, and I'm trying to make a relationship. I'm giving a value 170, 170, nothing is there. It will try to manipulate to give the results. Okay, this is how I'm trying to do it. Okay, so I'm trying to plot a chart with the x-axis and the y-axis, and I drawn a line with the AB line. AB line is the one which is used to create an absolute line between the height versus the body mass. I'm trying to draw a line. And afterwards I'm trying to manipulate the linear LM body mass versus height. Okay, body mass on y. Okay, so I'm giving a height. Automatically, it's not height, man. Yeah, it's height. So I'm trying to give the height. Automatically your body mass will be calculated. So you'll get the body mass value. What is the body mass value? I'm trying to give the height. I'm trying to find the body mass. Okay, this is how the prediction starts. This is how your data science world will work. Okay, let's move on to the practical implementation, how it works. So I got the height. I got the body mass. So this is my R Studio. Over here I'm trying to run the project. That's good. So the data, height and body mass is taken. Now I'm trying to plot it. So this is the data set I created. So this is the data set I created. Okay, so this hash symbol indicates commenting. So commenting is hash symbol indicates commenting, which is there in Python and also in data R programming also. So I got my height data sets and the body mass data set. So 176 is the height, 82 is the weight, 154, right? So what is the height? Based on the weight is there. Okay, so I'm trying to check it out now if I give a height, it will try to find the body mass. So this is called as a training data sets. I'm trying to use it as a training data sets. I'm trying to plot it, a plot of body mass comma height. So x comma y, I'm trying to give x comma y. So body mass versus height, I'm trying to do a plotting. Okay, so the right bottom is a plotting. Just I'm trying to run it now. I'm trying to take the data. Now I'm trying to run it. That's good, man. You got a body mass x comma y. So plot of x comma y. That is Good, man. Okay, so yes, you can see that data is plotted. So based on the x, what is the y? Based on the x, what is the y? Based on the x, what is the y? You can see it here. So clicking the zoom button, I can see it here. So plotting is done. So this is a customized kind of plotting how I want to do it. The body mass, comma y, x, comma y, PCH is equal to 16. So PCS is a 16 in the sense it's showing the symbols. So what is the symbol you want? 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see the symbols and all. Which symbols you want, you can specify it. Plot PCH. Okay, these are the values. Now 16 I gave, that is kind of a circle. That is kind of a circle, 16. The value is 16. Scrolling down, 16 is a filled circle, but it's not a filled circle I got. But anyway, like I'm trying to change the value as 24. Will work. Let's see. I'm trying to change this 24. Now I'm going to run it. So while running it, oh, it is blue color. It is triangle, man. That is awesome. So I can see the symbol is changing. Now I'm CEX is nothing but the value or like size of this particular symbols. You can see I increase the same size. You can see it here. So 2.3, I increase it. The triangle becomes bigger. I reduce it to 0.5, man. It is very small, man. Oh, that's awesome. I got it. Now I'm trying to change the color. I'll make it as the color is equal to green. You can see the changing of color is happening, man. Now I'll change it to orange. Now let's see like how it works. So the color should be orange. That's good, man. So you got the main is equal to height plotted against body mass. Okay, what are the text you want? You can specify it. So I want to increase the font, increase the plotting size. Okay, let's increase the plotting size. That's good, man. Yeah, it's better for me. It's better for me to see. Okay, that's good. Now what I'm trying to do is like, so I want the like a text, the top text, the x lab, x axis and the y axis, whatever things I want, I can specify it. This is how you can customize it. Now I'm trying to like AB line like a your linear integration, linear regression of body mass versus height. Didn't see anything, man. I didn't see anything because I want to draw a line from here, man. So height like a width body mass we need to do. Y of x I need to do it, right? That is wrong, man. Y of x I need to do. So I made a mistake. So anyway, like let me change it. So let me change it here. So yeah, we need to change it here. Okay, like not coming. Hey, no. We need to change it here. The plot of this one, yeah, plot of this one, I got the output. Now body mass of height, nothing is there because this is wrong. Because over here I want this kind of line, right? So height versus body mass we need to do. So like I need to change this one. So it here, maybe like this problem get resolved. Okay, now I'll run it. That's good. That's good. Like a height versus body mass is working fine for me. Now I'm trying to create the relationship. So I'll try to create the relationship. So I'm trying to give the height. I'm trying to give the height. So I need to find the body mass. So I'll create a relation. I want to, so x of y. Okay, so I give the y, obviously y of x. So I'm giving the x value. Now I need to calculate. Yes, it's good. Good. Now let me see. So like I give the height. I created a data frame and I'm trying to, so this is the relation I created. Now I'll give the height. So to the relation, pass the value, you got the prediction happening. Okay, yes, it's running. So now my data frame is ready. I'm trying to find the result. So printing the result, that's good. The weight, so if the guy is of height 170 centimeter, his weight should be 74.52005. Okay, but still the variables, like I made a mistake, so I need to change it to make it more understandable. Okay, like let me do it now. Yeah, let me change the variable so that you'll get a more idea. Yeah, let me scroll down. Yeah, sorry for that, like I made a bit delayed. Anyway, look over here, like I made this mistake. So you can see the 170 is here, so body mass is there. So like the height, so I'm trying to find the height, so that is the one we got. Okay, so looks good, man. So over here, like I made this height one variable, so like which is more appropriate. So I made this height one variable. So give the height value and find the like result. Find the body mass. Give the height value, find the body mass, and this is a prediction done based on the linear regression technique. Okay, so over here, yes, that's good. This is the final code I want to share you. Okay, so it's 74.52005 if the height is 170. The height is 170, the weight will be 74.52005. Okay, so hope you got an idea like how the people are using this particular R programming and using data science concepts to do a lot of prediction. Okay, look, yeah, like I think okay, guys, like hope you enjoy my session and you got a lot of learn lots and lots. And here is the one, like if you want to learn Python, machine learning, or programming or data science, I will give these links to you. If you are really interested, just go to this link and learn as much as you can. You can contact me via the contact numbers and WhatsApp numbers. And here is the links for Python, machine learning, data science, and R programming. And yeah, like our company Kashiv Infotech, we are providing online internships via kashiv.com, and we got our direct internships available at our Chennai office. Here is the contact numbers and WhatsApp number, and it's time for me to say a goodbye to you. I request you people to share about this video to your friends and everyone. That is the only help you can do it for me. And the current courses which is running on now is these are the courses available. If you're really interested, you can contact me. And until then, this is Venkat signing off from Wiki Techie and Kashiv Infotech.